Hi, I've already done a YouTube video about this lock, but I found a slightly quicker way to pick it, so I just wanted to give a quick update, especially after I got a second lock and I was playing around. The most consistent way I found was to just start with gentle tension. You don't have to ruin your fingers, and with some of these locks, if you pull too hard, it seems to it seems to lock some of these numbers, and we don't want that. So just gentle to medium tension, probably just gentle tension will be enough. Going to push the lever, keep gentle tension on. I'm going to go through the numbers one at a time, pressing them down and up, down and up, down and up, all the way down and up. And it's open. It seems that the numbers aren't clear, which ones are down and which ones are up. This is because the lock thinks that some of them are actually down, and even though it doesn't look as though they're down here, with the lock actually open, they can only go down or up. So if I push here, I'm pushing on all of them. The only ones that go all the way down are 1, 2, 3, 7. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 7 is the code. So I reset it, put in 1, 2, 3, 7. There you go, that's the code. Let's try the same thing with the other lock. So again, gentle tension, push the lever over. I'm going to go through all the numbers, pushing all the way down and up, all the way down and all the way up, and the lock's open. Again, that was pretty quick. Again, if you want to know the code, they will only go down or up. If they can, only the correct ones will go down. And so the code I know for sure is 1358. So again, 1358, and that's the code. So it's a quicker way how to decode these locks.